Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope everyone had an amazing New Year and we want to start off 2021 right. So today's video, you ready for this? I want to share with you my weight loss journey. I started 10 months ago, last year March, and I want to show you a picture right here, right now. That was me 10 months ago, and obviously this is me right now. I want to share with you my journey and why I do that, how I did it, and at the end of the video I have a really amazing giveaway and a lot of support to offer to you. So stay tuned and let's get started. Many of you know that I lost a lot of weight. To me it was a lot. I lost about 27 pounds in the past 10 months, and the initial weight loss was about 3-4 months. After that was more like maintain my weight for a couple months. And so I want to share with you why I started a journey to be healthier. 10 months ago was roughly March 2020. At that point of my life, I was weighed about between 170 to 174. You know, it varies sometimes. And I'm about 5'7", and I was 46 years old. So if you do the math, the number, it is overweight for me at least. And I think that what troubled me the most during that time was I constantly feel bloated. When I'm talking about bloated, not in my stomach, it's all the way up here in my chest. Every time I ate something, I feel like really hard to breathe. Do you guys know what I mean, right? And then I'm constantly feel like I'm so tired, I just don't have energy for anything. And then also my back hurt all the time. If you recall me, if you follow me for a long time, 12 months ago, I was doing hot yoga almost every day, right? I was hoping that would help me to release the pain in my lower back. Hot yoga was amazing. I feel good, but my body still hurt. Anyway, so that didn't really work out for me. And so between the feeling can't breathe, body hurting, lack of energy, and the other thing you're gonna laugh at me, every time I took photo or we do photo shoots with my partner, out of 100 shots, there's only one is good. Seriously, that so pissed me off. It's like, come on, Steve, you know, this is ridiculous. So then at that point, I realized that the reason why I want to be healthier are the following. I want to feel I can eat, not feel bloated. I want to feel energized. I want to look good in a photograph, for God's sake. You know, I don't want to be always try to do filter. That's just so not real. I want to show you guys the real me. So that's my real reason I want to be healthier. And of course, for the obvious reasons, I want to live longer. I mean, come on. If you're unhealthy, most likely your life, you won't be living longer. I hate to tell you this. So you want to be healthier, right? I mean, in general speaking. So that was the reason why I want to lose weight and be healthy. So what is your reasons? I want to tell you right now, don't do a weight loss program or big workout program because people say, it is a new year, let's start with a new year, right? Be healthy. You're not gonna last. The journey is, it's hard, it's not easy, I'm telling you that right now. So do it because you truly know why you are doing it. There's a purpose for that. If you can discover the purpose, the reason why you want to lose weight and be healthy, you have a way better chance to be healthy. So discover the reason why you want to be healthy. Write that down. You don't need to tell me that. Write it down somewhere so you can see why you want to do this. I'm not going to spend a lot of time give you a full detail on the program that I'm on right now. And because I made 3 videos, I'm going to put a link below so you can go. If you really want to do it, I'm going to assume you're going to watch that video. So I'm going to put a link below so you can look at yourself. But I want to give you an overall plan, okay? So the program I'm on, it's called Optavia. And it's very unique diet program. It's really not a diet program. It's more like a mindset change program, because we all know that almost every diet works. It doesn't matter you on keto or fasting, Jenny Craig, whatever. They all work. But can you maintain the weight loss? That's the tricky part here. So Altavia offer a really strong community support, and also have a health coach. Like for example, I'm a health coach right now because I was able to lose the weight, be healthy. I see the visual, I see the huge impact in my life. So I decided to help my family first. So what is it? 80% of my family was on Altavia, and then they all lost weight, and they still maintain a weight loss right now and maintain healthy life habits. So I know it's working. You know, my partner lost over 40 pounds, and he was diagnosed gluten allergy. I'm not saying that this program will help you cure some disease. It doesn't work this way. But for him, because he was able to lose that 40 pounds, now he can eat some gluten stuff so he doesn't feel uncomfortable. I mean, that is a life-changing feeling that he got. I cannot tell you how amazing that feels. What's the best about Altavia is a community support, health coach support, and mindset support. And then the last thing is the fueling support. That's the thing that you eat, and that is a vehicle, or we call it a tool, for you to change your eating habits. Overall, you want to have a small meal, a couple of hours a day, and a control calorie counts. That's how you do it. Very, very simple. And the program works. So why do I want to tell you some? Okay, I'll take that back, I'm sorry. So the program worked, right? But I gotta tell you this. If you told me right now, nope, you know, I just want to buy and do my own thing. I don't want to be a part of a community. I don't need to talk to you. I'm gonna tell you this, don't waste your money, because weight loss program and journey is not easy. It is not easy if you don't have the support. And I want to share a little secret with you right now, okay? When I first joined this, I said that in my video in the past, my mentality was, I'll just pay, I don't need to talk to my coach, whatever, you know. I'm smart, I know what I need to do, I know all the formula. Yeah, I do, but I'm still fat, right? So that didn't work out very well. But then quickly I realized that, wow, this worked. I lost like weight in just first week. That's amazing. And I feel great almost immediately. Then as I go on a journey, my coach keep on telling me, join the Facebook community, listen what people sharing. At first, I'll tell you, I was very arrogant. I'm like, no, I don't really need to hear what people talking, you know. I know what I need to do. But I quickly realized that with that attitude, I will not make it because I'm too arrogant. So I let my guard down. I'm open on my arm to really listen what other people say. I gotta tell you, it's amazing. Why is amazing? Because I remember there was one period of time that I was like, yeah, I lost all this weight, but I just don't want to do it anymore, you know. And you know, I was helping some people to do the weight loss, but they are not following the program. I just feel so demotivated. Then I was listening to other coach sharing that, oh my God, I'm not the only one go through this experience. And then so they're sharing their experience, and then they share with us the end result and what's the future for them. I was blown away to some of the story. So I continue joining the community, listen to others sharing. I truly believe that the only way that you can be successful is you gotta have you need to know the reason why you need to do it, right? Number two, you need to find the right program that fits your lifestyle. Number three, you need to not to be arrogant. You need to open your arm, let the community come to you, and open and listen to support, because that is the only way. If you disagree with me, I don't really care. It's your life, you know. But this is what worked for me with all my family. Altavia currently offer in the following country: Singapore, Hong Kong, and USA. So it's only 3 countries. So my giveaway will be really strictly for those 3 countries only, because I cannot ship this thing to Taiwan because it's going to be a huge box. I just cannot do it. So I apologize for that, okay? What am I going to give away? So there's 2 giveaway that I'm going to be offer. Number 1 is that I'm going to put a link below that you need to follow me Healthy Journey with Steve Jin on Instagram, so you can message me so I can talk to you privately and to find out the reason why and what program will work for you, and I will let you know all the detail, what you need to do, what to expect. And then if you decide to join with me on this health journey, I'm gonna offer you $100 off for the program. So you must ask me, so how much is the program average cost? Well, it's really hard to tell you the number. The reason why is sometimes Altavia has a promotions, or it's just very complicated. But you're looking at it between $350 to $400 to start for the first month or first 30 days. So I would like to offer $100 off when you purchase the 1 month program. And the next question you're going to be asking me is, well, how long would I see result? Again, it's a very different. If you only have a 5 pound to lose, you can get it in 2 months. But if you have a 10, 20 pound, you're looking about 4 months. If you have a more than that, it takes longer time, but you will see result in very short time. That's the best part. And clearly, I am the testimony. You saw me from 10 months ago and right now, so there's a difference, right? So the first giveaway is, if you are joining me with Altavia, with me only, I can give you $100 credit, so I can help you to kickstart this journey. And I know money's tight for everyone right now, and that's the least I can do. So if you're interested, message me below. Number 2, I want to give one person living in either USA, Hong Kong, or Singapore a full month's Altavia. So meaning that I will pay for your whole month free. I will pay. But there are rules that you need to do. So the rule, I'm going to leave the link below. The step-by-step below, so you can take a look what you need to do. Deal? So 2 things that we offer. If you join the program with me, I'll give you $100 off when you purchase the 1 month plans. Number 2, one winner international giveaway for either Hong Kong, Singapore, or USA. One person will get a full month Altavia free support by me. I'll definitely let me know if this type of video help you. I love to do more and share with you. And I wanted to give a little sneak peek. The next videos I'm going to talk about 3 ways to make extra money. So if you want to make extra money, have more income stream in your life during this pandemic time, you need to stay tuned for the next videos. Alright, so I want to say thank you very much for watching my video today. It means a lot. I know I talk a lot today, but I think they are important information that I want to share. So thank you so much. Happy New Year again. And thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!